What if tomorrow your bank account hits zero? You are in the emergency room of your financial life. Panic is a luxury you cannot afford. What if tomorrow your bank account hits zero? Not next month, not next week, today, right now. The panic, the tightness in your chest, that's real. But here's the truth. Panic is a luxury you cannot afford. My name is Blessing, and this isn't theoretical. If I was broke today, here is the exact playbook I would run in the first 24 hours. And no, the first step is not make a budget. Let's go. Before we do anything, we perform mental triage. You are in the emergency room of your financial life. Are you bleeding from a severed artery, or do you have a deep chronic infection? We need to know. A fire drill is a cash flow emergency. You have an income, but timing is off. Bills are due before your next paycheck. A forest fire is systemic. No job, deep debt, burning through savings. Most people treat a forest fire like a fire drill, and that's why they stay stuck. Today, we are only solving for the next 24 hours. We are stopping the bleed. Your first action is the 5-call moratorium. Do not panic call anyone, your landlord, your mom, your creditor, until you do this. On this notepad, I want 3 things. 1. All financial obligations due in the next 72 hours. Just list them. 2. Your exact available resources. Not potential, not tomorrow. What cash do you have physically? What's in your PayPal? What's in your wallet? 3. Write down one marketable skill you have right now. I can write. I can organize a closet. I can fix a bike. Do not overthink it. The ghost asset hunt. Your first $50 to $100 is probably within arm's reach. We are going on a scavenger hunt for ghost assets. Money hiding in plain sight. You pulling out a video game console and a stack of old games. You flipping through books, finding a forgotten $20 bill as a bookmark. You quickly typing on a laptop, showing websites like giftcardgranny.com or checking Amazon gift card balances. You logging into old PayPal, Venmo, or loyalty point accounts. You taking a nice looking plant, a vintage lamp, or a barely used kitchen gadget and placing it by the front door. This is not about decluttering. This is a tactical extraction. I want you to set a timer for 60 minutes. Go through your space and list every non-essential sellable item. The rule is, if you forgot you had it, it's a ghost asset. It's already gone. Now, let's turn it into cash. The same-day service hustle now, we need immediate cash flow. Forget vague gig economy advice. We are launching a same-day service. You are not building a brand. You are executing a financial rescue mission. Speed and specificity are everything. Option A, the digital hustle. Go to Facebook Marketplace, your local neighborhood group, or Craigslist. You are not posting, I need work. You are posting a specific low-time service. For example, same-day service, I will transcribe 30 minutes of audio for $50, delivery by 10 p.m. tonight. Or I will format and clean up your resume or Word doc for $40. Message me now. Option B, the physical hustle. This is not dog walking. This is neighborhood help available today. Have a garage that needs tidying for 2 hours, an overgrown garden bed. I can help this afternoon for $60 plus gas. The key is specific, local, and today. While you wait for replies, you list those ghost assets on Marketplace. Price them to sell fast, 20% below market. This is not the time for sentiment or max profit. This is liquidity. The strategic pause and tomorrow's plan. Now you have something you didn't have an hour ago. Options and a tiny bit of leverage. This is when you enact the strategic pause. You have cash in hand or imminent. Now you can make those difficult calls from a position of slightly more strength.
I am facing a short-term hardship and am working to resolve it. I can make a partial payment of $500 today.
Calm, factual, solution-oriented. You are not begging, you are negotiating. You've stopped the spiral. Tomorrow, we start the climb. Tomorrow's video is about the barbell strategy, building one stable, boring income source and one high-risk, high-upskill opportunity. But you have to get through today first. Your 24-hour mission is clear. 1. Mental triage. Diagnose the fire. 2. Ghost asset hunt. Find your hidden cash. 3. Same-day service hustle. Create immediate income. 4. Strategic pause. Communicate from strength. Now, I need you to do 2 things for me. First, comment below. Tell me one ghost asset you found while watching this. A vintage shirt, an old tablet, a gift card. I will be in the comments for the next hour giving you the best place to sell it. Second, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Tomorrow's video is the critical next step, the barbell income strategy. You do not want to miss it. This is not the end of your story. This is day 0. See you tomorrow.